Everybody, I built these Lego sets, and I'm 5 years old, but I'm not 8. But this is 8 plus, and this is 9 plus.
And how long?
I still built them in a within in 2 hours.
2 hours. Woo! Great job. What's the secret?
The secret?
Being 5 years old and building in less than 2 hours?
Yeah.
What's the secret?
But this is my favorite thing to do.
Ah, what do you call that?
Drifting.
Drifting. All right. Good job, Kai.
Look, watch.
I'm so proud of you. And what kind of cars?
A Ferrari and a Nissan.
Ah, great job, Kai.
Guess what? You want to see the drivers?
Oh.